Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to like this video on your way out, and if you find this video helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Today's video, we're going to keep it as detailed and as short as possible. Today we're going to be talking about supplements. You guys seem to like my input on supplements, so we're going to talk about supplements, and we're also going to be talking about how jaw white has fallen from grace to grass. So if you want to find about these supplements, like the thumbnail will say, keep watching this video. Alright, so this is a long awaited and highly requested video. I'm just going to be grabbing the supplements for you guys. Yeah, so it is a highly requested video and all of that, and so I'm going to get straight into it. But first, let's talk about jaw white, right? So a lot of you must have seen my jaw white video, me introducing jaw white, and I'm supposed to update you guys after a couple of months. I really can't remember when I started, but I know it was during the lockdown period I started. And to be honest, the first I think few weeks of using jaw white, I was amazed at the results, right? And so I was really advocating for jaw white, like jaw white. Even my supplement lady, I'm like, I don't want anything else other than jaw white, right? So a little backstory. So jaw white is there's the first jaw white that came out, the first one I used, which is the old jaw white. The old jaw white. I've used 3 packets of jaw white so far. So this is the new and improved jaw white. It has like the leaf on it. It has the expiry date at the bottom. It says new on the side here, and it says improved formulation right here. So I feel bad, and I somehow don't feel bad. I feel bad because I feel like probably the owner of this company wanted to he or she saw that the buzz was a big deal, and so maybe wanted to do something even better, or that's where I'll feel bad. And where I don't feel bad is probably they were trying to be cheap, because I've strewn my old packets. It says beware of fake products. So maybe they were like, people were, because people can actually make jaw white. People make jaw white, like, because the ingredients are listed here. That's the thing, when you list your ingredients, people are so somehow. People actually go ahead to make jaw white for themselves, like they make it for themselves, which to me, probably the company found out about, and so decided to do something about it and came up with this new and improved formula, beware of fake products, blah blah blah. And so jaw white is from Japan. It's not even a Malaysian product. Jaw white is from Japan. Yes, jaw white is from Japan. And so if they were trying to be cheap and use this formula, they've completely lost, because everyone now knows that jaw white doesn't work anymore. And I remember when I was talking about, I started using this is my second pack. It's even finished. I finished it. I'm done with it. Like, it's empty. I'm done with it. So, like I promised, when I was done, I'll give my review. And so people started taking jaw white, 2 per day, just because, like, before, jaw white, take jaw white every 2 days. That's how strong it is. People started taking it every day. Then people were even taking as much as 2 per day, just because it wasn't as effective, or they wanted, faster, whatever. But still, to be honest, jaw white doesn't work anymore. I don't know if the old one is still in circulation, but it's definitely very hard to find, and so there is no need to stress yourself for jaw white. The first pack of jaw white works really great for me. The second 2 packs was a no-no. It was slow. I would even say I had to take it like every day before I saw a reasonable amount of effect, I guess. So yeah, don't waste your money. purchasing Joe White's 2.0 anymore. It's very sad that that's how it has to end, but that is my input on Joe White. Joe White really helps. Joe White helps with hair growth. That's something, maybe it's glutathione, but I know that it helps with hair growth. Like my edges were all, as you can see, they're coming out. I didn't have any hair here. My eyebrows, I don't even use pencil anymore. I just carve them and I am good to go. It's when I started using my supplement. So yeah, Joe White worked, but it doesn't work anymore. Don't spend your money buying Joe White. It's not. I like, if the owner actually tampered with the formula, they are lost, because everybody now knows that Joe White doesn't work. Joe White is very slow. Don't bother buying Joe White. Don't let anybody convince you to buy Joe White. It doesn't work, right? Which takes me to a new supplement that probably brought you here, and this is the Crystal Pure Collagen White Extra Supplement. This is my white. I'll try to leave a picture. Yeah, so this is how it is. So this is the new Joe White in the market, right? The only bad thing about it is that, just like Joe White is 20, but this one you take every day, so it's not going to be a month supply. It's going to give you only 20 days worth of supply. And it even says to use morning and night, 2 capsules a day rather. I take 1 a day, 2 a day means you only last you for 10 days. In my opinion, that is just way too much. Maybe 2 makes it more effective, but I'm sticking with 1. I like slow and steady. This is the Collagen White Extra Crystal Pure. It contains glutathione, L-cysteine, natural fruit grapeseed, collagen, vitamin E, vitamin C. I think what made me actually grab this was because it has collagen. I wanted to get the sparkle collagen whatever, but because I already have my berry, it didn't make any sense to buy what's it called, the sparkle again. This one has collagen in it as well. This one has collagen in it. If I want extra collagen, I have my frozen collagen and all of that. Okay, so let me stop rambling. Let me start with Crystal Pure. So Crystal Pure, like I said, contains glutathione, grapeseed, collagen, vitamin E and vitamin C, all of that. This one they did not list their ingredients because they don't want you to go and make your own and be taking. It just says here glutathione, L-cysteine, abitine, donatine, 2 capsules a day, keep your complexion bright every day. This is made in Malaysia. Yes, this is made in Malaysia. Korea standard based product, that's what it says, and then the expiry date is here. So this is new in the market. I can beat my chest and say there's no fake yet, but very soon, trust, they will start making fake, and maybe they will have to go and do new and improved and give us rubbish. So this is how it is, just the same packaging as Joe White. See, this is it. I have started on this. I can't really give you a major review yet, but I will tell you that it visibly works. If you want to go as far as taking 2 a day, fine. Make sure you're taking it on an empty stomach. So 30 minutes before you eat anything. You can take 2 a day, you can take 1 a day. I'm sticking with 1 for now to see. Then maybe I can add to my dosage, because 20 products, 20 capsule, taking it 2 every day, that's 10 days, and this is 20,000, so you're spending 40,000 on supplement in a month. It's quite expensive. If you can afford it, fine. It's quite expensive, and so because I'm taking with other things, to me my dosage is fine, because I'm taking glutathione, frozen collagen, and then glutathione, which I'll get into. Those ones coupled together is quite a high amount of glutathione, so I don't need to spend much on now having to buy an extra pack of this. I think 1 a day is going to be fine for me for now. It does work. I said it's 20,000. It does work. It's really nice. There's a visible change, like it's So in 3 days now, there is a visible change. And so it's fire right now. It's fire right now. It's fire right now because it's new and it's in the market. So grab all you can while it is still fresh in the market. But after a period of time, it will probably do make fake or to reduce their quality. So, but for now, I really hope they are here to stay. Like jaw whites. If you can find this, grab it. I have it for sale, 20,000. Get yourself one of this, okay? Now, with this, you want to make sure you're taking your vitamin C. I cannot emphasize enough because the vitamin C here doesn't mean that vitamin C is going to be okay for you. Nope. Still take a vitamin C. I take this vitamin C. Vitamin C. You can take it with any vitamin C that you have. Make sure it's 1,000 milligram vitamin C. Okay. So here's how I take mine. I am not a swallow person. I always say this, like, I don't like swallowing drugs. I don't like swallowing anything. I don't medicine, nothing, none of that. So the good thing about this one is that you can, just like when you take jaw whites, you can open it and put it under your tongue and swallow and all of that. It's still very good, just like the way jaw whites is not bitter. It's still very okay. So what I personally do, I'll probably make a review on glutaberry differently, so I don't drag this video for too long. Glutaberry is very good. If you can't afford phytocollagen or sparkle white, get yourself glutaberry. Even Hello Babes now has been discontinued. In fact, all these supplement people are playing with us. Hello Babes have been discontinued. So if you see Hello Babes, check very well. Hello Babes has been discontinued. Don't look that way. Glutaberry still very much around. Alright. So glutaberry still in the pack. As you guys can see, I'm not finished with my first pack. This is the second pack. So glutaberry has collagen and glutathione in it. My frozen has collagen and glutathione in it, and they're affordable. So we have to look for ways to supplement whatever it is that I'm missing, right? My vitamin C. So what I do is I take my bottle. I have a bottle that I use for my drink. I put 1 sachet of my vitamin C, 1,000 milligram, 2 frozen. So I open the frozen and put into the bottle. 1 glutaberry sachet. This is what gives it that. This is what makes the drink overall pleasant to drink because glutaberry is very sweet. And then my crystal pure white, 1 into my bottle. Put in my water, shake together, and drink 30 minutes before a meal. That is the best way for you to get results. So obviously, glutaberry collagen, frozen collagen, pure white, vitamin C, and everything coupled together, I'm getting a very good amount of collagen and glutathione, right? Because sparkle white is a bit pricey. But if you really look at it, glutaberry price plus collagen, if you look at it together, it's almost the price of sparkle white and phytocollagen and all of that. But yeah, so this is my updates on jaw whites and me introducing you to the collagen extra pure whites. This is actually the new thing in the market, so grab yourself one of these. It does work. Like I noticed visible change in the 3 days that I've used it. Okay, but because I'm using it once a day, my effect might not be as fast as someone who's seen 2 times in a day, right? So like I said, I'm going to be trying out once a day first, and then I'm going to up my dosage to 2 times a day. That way I can see the best out of it. But overall, glutathione is an antioxidant. It helps to mop up free radicals, protects your skin from the sun damage, pollution, and all of that. And I personally have seen hair growth with glutathione. Okay, so yeah, that is my updates. Like I said earlier on, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so you can get all this information whenever I bring it out. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.